Hi YouTube, today I'm going to be sharing with you a new product I received. This is the SJW Faucet Water Purifier. This has an advanced carbon filter which provides 10 times more absorption performance than normal activated carbon filters. It has a very high absorption capacity, it reduces up to 98% of chlorine, it reduces odor and improves taste, and it reduces lead and other contaminants. So let's unbox it. So here's the box, this is how it looks. Very nice, simple design. And these are all the parameters of the object. And let's open it up. And it comes in a foam, like so. And let's pull it out. So here it is. Here's our filter and the installation kit. And it also comes with some literature. And here's the user manual, so you can understand what it comes with and how to install it and important information. So here are all the contents of the box. First up, we have this housing unit. This is where the water gets filtered and where the filtered water comes out from. Under it, we just have some Teflon tape that you may need while installing. Next, we have this, and this is where you can control whether you want filtered water or tap water, and this is where your tap water will come out from. And so we can attach this right here. And this is where it will be attached to the sink from. And this is how it looks. And like I said, this is where the water gets filtered. So you can see the carbon filter right here. And remember that we do need to remove the plastic seal from this. Put it back in, like so. And over here we have all the adapters. So whatever kind of sink you have, it should work. There are various kinds, so whichever one works for your sink you will use. And you don't need any tools for installation. It comes with it. This is the only tool that you will be needing. So it's very easy to install this filter. All we have to do is take this off from our sink. So it's easily off, as you can see. And now we're going to put this on top of our sink, like so, the other way, and put it all the way there. And now I'm going to take the adapter that works for my sink, and I'm going to install it right here. And there you go. So that was very easy. Make sure it's nice and tight. And now we're going to take this part right here, and we're going to put this right on top under this. Now we're going to bring this down, and now we're going to tighten that up as tight as you can go. So that seems good, and you can position this however you want based on this. So now we're going to take the filter house and place it right here, and we have that set like so. And now what we're going to do is take our carbon filter and put it inside, but first I'm going to remove the plastic that's on top. And we're going to put this side down and click it in. So it's clicked in now. And now we're just going to put our cover on top and tighten that up like so. And now our sink is ready to use. So now let's turn our sink on. As you can see, this is a setting with tap water, so I'm still able to access my regular water. And then I can pull this lever up and it will switch to filtered water. So you can use this for drinking, and in here you can see the process going on. Let's turn on the water a bit higher. You can see how the water fills up in here and then it's coming out the bottom. So it's going through that carbon filter and coming through filtered. So we can see that the water comes out the filter really fast. It's not a long process. Look how quick that water comes out, as if I just had my regular sink. And look at that, nice and clear. So now let's talk about this filter. So why do we need a filter for our house? We need a filter because we need to make sure that the water that we're drinking is safe for us and our families. A lot of time the water doesn't taste right, or there's a lot of chlorine and fluorine added in it, so we don't want to always drink that. That's not really good for our health. In some states we do have some good water, but it's always to remain on the safe side. So I would really recommend that you use this filter to make sure that the water you are drinking is safe for consumption. A water filter is necessary to have because you never know what's in your water. It's good to always make sure that your water is clear of these contaminants, and you never know what's going on. If there's work being done by your house and they're fixing the piping, you don't know what's in your water, so it's great to have this filter. This specific filter is great because it's very compact. It's not in your way, it's not taking up counter space in your kitchen, and it's very easy to use. It's good, even like young children can easily just pull the lever. It's easy to understand. So I would highly recommend that you do install this product in your home. And the link will be in the description box below.